The Proxxon Long Neck Angle Grinder, LHWA, outstanding for delicate jobs. Ideal for tool and mold making, for a wide variety of applications in the automotive sector and many other possible areas. The LHWA is in its element in difficult to access spaces, whether in industry, trade or hobby. Unlimited mobility thanks to rechargeable battery technology, making it easy to use both indoors and outdoors. The slim gearhead of solid high-precision machine die-cast aluminium not only makes this machine very compact, but also forms a perfect housing for the robust gear mechanism and reliably ensures the precise bearing and guidance of the moving components. Pure ergonomics. The case of glass fiber reinforced polyamide with the yellow non-slip soft component fits the hand snugly and enables effortless guidance of the machine and thus perfect control of the accessories in use. The grinder is driven by a permanent magnet DC motor. A perfectly fine balanced rotor guarantees maximum quiet running and low vibration. The operating speed can be precisely regulated between 5,000 and 16,000 revolutions. The very finest in battery technology. A powerful lithium-ion battery with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts, guarantee high performance and long period of use even in the most demanding applications. There is also a wide range of accessories for a multitude of applications. Sanding discs of corundum or silicon carbide, as well as sanding fleeces, cover the entire range of materials to be machined. Whether steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, ceramics, wood and plastic, whether for cutting, roughing out, grinding, fine grinding or shaping of wood. Should irregular surfaces be machined? No problem. Small curvatures on the workpiece can be balanced with the rubber backing disc. Also practical, the rear side is equipped with a hook and loop backing, which enables the sanding sheets and sanding fleece to be changed at lightning speed. Ideal for users who often have to work with different grains. Last but not least, allow us to present the rasp plate. It accomplishes really amazing things and allows an almost sensational removal of materials such as wood and plaster. The tungsten carbide needles are naturally very hard and therefore extremely wear resistant. To get started right away, our long neck angle grinder not only comes with the battery and the appropriate charger, but also a high-grade corundum grinding disc, a fabric-reinforced cutting disc, and fitted by a fan sander. And once the work is done, a beautifully designed polypropylene case serves for safe and tidy storage of the tool and accessories. Practical. Battery and charger can be used for all Proxxon battery-powered machines. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. An invaluable advantage, especially for the commercial sector. Especially interesting for customers who already own a cordless machine from Proxxon, the LHW-A is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered long-neck angle grinder LHW-A, a strong problem solver for trade and industry. One of 6 Proxxon cordless tools made in Europe. A strong system. Proxxon, tools with character.